American Idol. Hello and welcome. Today we are in Kansas looking for the next American Idol. Our first singer is Bobby. Ta-da! Hello, I'm Bobby and I'm gonna see Star Spangled... what am I gonna sing? Oh well, who cares? Oh, say, can you see? Enough! That sucked! No more, please! Please! Well, I thought that was pretty good. Oh, well, anyway, let's see what the judges have to say. They're dead. You killed them. Well, they're singing. You killed them. Oh, well.